Learn mobile app development training by ICT Skills. Unlock the power to create innovative mobile applications with our comprehensive mobile app development course. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, our expertly crafted curriculum ensures you gain the knowledge. Why choose our mobile app development course at ICT Skills? Expert guidance. Learn from industry professionals with years of experience in mobile app development. Hands-on learning. Gain practical skills through projects and real-world applications. Career support. Access to career services including job placement assistance and resume building workshops. What you'll learn with ICT Skills. Fundamentals of mobile development. Understand the basics of mobile platforms and frameworks. UI/UX design. Create intuitive and engaging user interfaces. Programming languages. Master languages like Java, Swift, or React Native. App deployment. Learn to deploy apps on App Store and Google Play. Who should enroll ICT Skills? Aspiring developers. Individuals looking to break into the mobile app industry. Entrepreneurs. Those aiming to build their own mobile app startup. IT professionals. Seeking to diversify their skill set with mobile development. Certification. Earn a Government authorized certificate upon successful completion. Ready to get started? Contact us at 9499569596 or visit www.ictskills.in. Thanks.